I'm Lisa Harrington. I have been in the district for over 30 years. I used to live in North St. Paul because I loved the area. I have since moved out of the district and miss North St. Paul. My kids are products of 622. I don't know, I love being here. Part of my hobbies are playing with my dogs, which is most of the time, and then I also enter sweepstakes, and 20 years ago I actually won a trip to Florida. That I won the award, I was actually very surprised. I was surprised I was nominated, and then I was even more surprised that I actually won. I've worked a lot of jobs in the district. I started out as a manager back when it was just a 25, 30 hour a week job, so I would pick up other shifts. I've been a lunchroom supervisor, I've worked for ECFE, I've taught youth enrichment classes. I just love working with the kids and the district staff. I enjoy giving kids new opportunities, and so it keeps me here. I think the accomplishments I'm most proud of are probably the relationships I've built with children and their families and just making a difference in their lives. A few years ago, I had an older sister come pick up her younger brother, and she was excited to tell me that she had sewn her own Halloween costume. And then she ended with, "You know, you're who taught me to sew the first time." And that just was like, it was so exciting to know that I made a difference and that she knew that. And I had another student come back with his girlfriend to pick up his younger brother, and he goes, "You know, this is who raised me." And while I know I didn't raise him, but it's nice to know that he knows I had a big part in what I did. And you know, some kids will leave here and never remember me, but some will. My favorite part of the job is giving kids new opportunities to do things. I love to sew with them. We've done some small baking in toaster ovens. We have done a wide variety of weaving and crafts and phy ed activities, and I think it's just fun to give them new opportunities they can't get in school.